Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to do a debate in English. A debate is not just about speaking, it's about thinking logically, giving a strong reasons, and convincing others. So let's start. Today I'm gonna talk about the basic format of debate. Step 1, Introduction. Start politely and introduce your topic and side. Step 2, Arguments. Give at least 2-3 strong points with examples. Step 3, Counter arguments. Reply to the other side's points. Step 4, Conclusion. Finish with a powerful line. Let's understand it with examples. Suppose you have a beautiful topic like mobile phones are useful for students or not. For the motion, yes side. For example, if you think that mobiles are useful for students, then you need to start like this. Good morning, my respected teachers and dear friends. Today, I stand here to support the motion that mobile phones are useful for the students. My first point is, mobile phones help students to learn through online classes and educational apps. Secondly, they have time and make communication easy. Lastly, mobiles provide instant access to knowledge, which is very important in today's world. So, I strongly believe mobiles are a blessing for students. Against motion, no side. For example, you are in the support of that mobiles are not useful for students, then you can also speak like this. Good morning, everyone. I strongly oppose the motion that mobile phones are useful for students. First, mobile phones distract students from studies because of social media and games. Secondly, overuse of mobile phones damages our eyes and health. Lastly, mobile phones reduce the face-to-face communication. Therefore, mobile phones are more harmful than useful for students. Counter arguments. For example, students who are not in the favor of useful of mobile phone for students, and he says that mobile phone distract students for their studies. So you can answer them like this. Yes, mobiles may distract, but it depends on how we use them. A disciplined students can use it only for their studies. If you are against and someone says that mobile phone is good for studies, you can answer them like this. That's true, but teachers and books are better sources. Too much dependence on mobile phone makes students lazy. Students practice activity. First, divide the class into 2 groups, for and against. Second, give them 2 minutes to prepare the topic. Third, call one by one to speak. 4. Encourage them to use phrases like, I strongly believe that, in my opinion. I would like to counter the points by saying that, therefore I conclude that. Introduction and conclusion must be by the teachers only. What is conclusion? Debates improve your English confidence and thinking skills. Remember, speak with confidence and give strong reasons and respect others' opinions. That's the real art of a debate. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Subscribe the channel for more videos.